A horrific Dane County abuse case goes to trial this week. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jennifer Hoff.
And I'm Andy Choi. Chad Critton is the first of 3 people to face a jury. Prosecutors say he played a role in abusing his 15-year-old daughter.
News 3's Danica Lewis has a recap of the case and what to expect in the coming days.
Jury selection begins Monday in the state's case against Chad Critton, a 40-year-old father accused of locking up and starving his teenage daughter. He faces 6 felony charges. The startling accusations in this trial could draw more attention to the bigger picture of child abuse. At least that's what some are hoping. Chad Critton already broke down in Dane County Court. Now his trial begins, virtually 1 year after his arrest. A criminal complaint alleges this is the Madison home that became a teenager's prison. Prosecutors say Critton's 15-year-old daughter, called SLC in court, was starved in the basement, forced to drink her own urine and eat her own feces. She was picked up by neighbors on the east side. No socks or shoes, weighing less than 70 pounds.
It could be happening next door. And if you think that you see it happening, report it.
A former Madison police captain, Ellen Schwartz, has seen some of the worst. Now she lends her experience to the Rainbow Project, a nonprofit helping trauma victims and their families get the support they need. Schwartz hopes people watching this extreme case play out in court will realize child abuse is happening in other homes.
Their cases may not be quite as sensational, but it's just as life-impacting for them, just as future impacting for them.
Like her husband, Melinda Drayback Critton faces abuse, neglect, and imprisonment charges. The victim's stepbrother, Joshua Drayback Critton, is charged with sexually abusing the teen. The district attorney has ruled that SLC will testify in court.
The thought of, having people tell her that that her testimony could put her parents in prison, that's not her fault.
Melinda Drayback Critton is set to go before a jury in the Dane County Courthouse in April. Joshua Drayback Critton's trial is set for June. Now, if you think you know a child who's a victim of abuse, Schwartz urges those witnesses to speak up and report it. We have more detailed information on channel3000.com. For WISC TV News 3, I'm Danica Lewis.
Like Danica said, you can find those resources online, and we'll have complete coverage of this trial throughout the week on channel3000.com and WISC TV.